Obochenu Bw'Obongo Nigo Agendererete igoro y'obwoba bwabo igoro y'ebikoro by'oborwaire bw'Obochenu Bw'Obongo egati abakora emirimo ime ensi ya Kenya kwendera Kometakana ukwana engaki y'okurwa Obosemia igoro y'amang'ana arengete Obochenu Bw'Obongo ensi ekiombe gia Kenya Counseling and Psychological Association nigo baereire okomigwa kebugima nabo igo ebirengererio aosechi familia negati abiria bikwirera Kometakana komoreire y'Obochenu Bw'Obongo.
The workshop is themed elevating workplace well-being, mental health and leadership, and that is why we are here, so that we can train different professionals like the counselors who work in the workplace. We also have human resource professionals. We have all those so that we can train them and equip them, because there is a challenge in workplace. One of the things that is very difficult is balancing work and life. We still need to be very deliberate and intentional in coming up with programs that will enable the workers to deal with their mental well-being. For example, I can suggest that do we have days where the workers are able to go maybe for just an hour or so in what we call self-care? Or do we have days where the workers can work flexibly, so that their mental well-being is catered for? So I would encourage more programs. I would encourage actually every workplace to have counselors who are not workers there. They are counselors specifically for mental well-being of the workers, because when you are still a worker and you are counseling, sometimes we have what we call a dual relationship that may not work. But when you are a counselor, as a counselor, and you're not doing anything well, that may work. That is what I would suggest maybe for the workplaces.
Today we are here to try and capacity build our most of the employees, especially those who are in the counseling and psychology field, so that they can be able to help their staffs and their other employees. We have learned that so many mental health issues are brought about by stress that comes from unmet expectations. You realize that in life, when your expectations are not met, you develop frustrations. These frustrations, they are the ones that leads to stress. You'll find that in most of our workplaces, due to bureaucracy, due to protocols, due to different personalities of our the person who we are reporting to, we get so many frustrations, and that leads to stress. We are therefore encouraging the employers to have a unit, to have the peer counselors, so that they can be able to manage their employees